Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, we're diving into how to set up your very own shop on Instagram. Whether you're a business owner or just getting started with your business, Instagram is a great platform to introduce your product around the world. Now, let's start. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. At the top right corner, click the menu, scroll down and navigate the account type and tools. Select Switch to Professional Account, tap Next, and select what best describes you. Since we're setting up a shop, let's pick shopping and retail. Tap Switch to Professional Account, and make sure to select Business Account and tap Next. So it is optional to input your business information here. This information, which allows you to display on your profile when you enable this button. For now, let's skip this process and tap Next. You'll also be able to connect your business account to Facebook to gain wider audience. However, let's skip this process for a moment. Now, you have to complete all the tasks here to set up your business account. Since I have done it already, let's go back to profile. Now here, click edit profile, scroll down and tap action buttons. Now you have to select which business you are offering, like for example, the learn more button. So you need to set up all the information for your business and click done. So we need to activate this one too. So let's tap this and check the button you choose and tap check. So after your selection, just click that check icon at the top right corner and let's go back to our profile. Now as you can see here, the learn more button is now visible. Your customer can now interact with your shop. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.